Hey, Dr. Anita Parker here. How are you doing with your CT adjustment? I want to teach you how to deliver to your patients now more than ever when they need it and they're sitting at home during maybe a pandemic or after a pandemic, hunching over their computer, their phones, their devices. What are they developing? Postural problems, neck issues, pain in the shoulders, pain in the back of the neck and the head. And one of the best things that I found over the years to help my patients is to deliver the greatest cervical thoracic adjustment with them laying prone. I'm going to teach that to you this coming Wednesday, July 22nd. Don't want you to miss it so that you too can master this adjustment and help your patients through all these postural issues that many of us are developing so they can breathe better, feel better, and when you get your patients really well with this adjustment, they're not only going to refer more patients to you, but you are going to be a way more successful doc. So don't forget to register before we fill up all the seats. It's this coming Wednesday, July 22nd at 1 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. And after I demonstrate live how to do this adjustment, I'll be able to answer your specific questions on how you can do this too. I'll see you there.